Once an officer said that we do not have girls in the army. We have soldiers who happen to be the female. Hello and Jai Hind. My name is Karan Singh Badoria and today my topic is women in armed forces. If we're talking about the current scenario of our India, there are at least 10,493 women officers who are serving in three services: Indian Army, Air Force, and Navy. Indian Army is the largest services among three and also have a largest women officer, at least 1,705. And if you're talking about Indian Air Force, there are at least 1,609 women officers, and Navy 559 officers. In January 2023, Indian Army also take a big step to deploy Captain Shiva Chauhan on the Siachen Glacier for the first times. That also tells a big step taken by the Indian Army. So this is the current scenario of our India. But if we're talking about the history, before 1992, women are not allowed in the combat forces. They are just simply allowed in the medical streams. But after 1992, our government allowed women in armed forces in the SSC, Short Service Commissions. But here the problem comes that the Short Service Commission is only for 15 years. There is not the full complete solution of women in armed forces. Government does not give them a permanent commission in armed forces. But after 1992, our government when allowed SSC Short Service Commission, there is one success story come out from Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl. After that, in July 2018, Avani Chaturvedi and two of our batchmates also touched the glory and also have successfully made a first female fighter pilot. So let us talk about the what are the concerns related to gender equality. According to the UN Secretary General, they said that gender equality is increasing rapidly. At least one of the three women are facing gender-based violence. And if we're talking about the India, participation of women in labor increases by 25%, and globally it is 47%. So you can see that the participation of women in armed forces is increasing very rapidly. And after that, if we're talking about the world gender gap of 2023, our India is positioning on 127th place out of 147. So that's also said that our India is not successfully conducted women in the different sector and successfully deployed women in all sectors. So the very first question rises in your mind that what is the problem? What are the problems which are lagging to admitted women in different sectors? The very first problem is that the mindset of people. Let's talk about what are the problem why women are not admitted in armed forces. The very first problem is that the thinking of people is that when the women are admitted, the psychology of armed forces is changed, because if the woman is taken as the prisoner of war, then the condition is very horrible for the people of army. After that, if the woman is the officer rank or in the highest or have a power, then the man does not take her seriously or does not obey his rules. That's also a mindset of government of people. The third is that they thought that woman does not sacrifice her life just like men. So this show that how our society have a backward mindset. So the problem is not in the woman, the problem is the mindset of people. We have to change the mindset. So at last, at conclude, I would like to say that the women have also potential to do very much in different sectors. Here the one thing is lacking the society. We have to change the mindset of people and society. That were the only factor which overcome the backward mindset of people. Thank you very much.